Welcome. I'm David Boulay, President of IMEC, the Illinois Manufacturing Excellence Center. We're here to celebrate 25 years of Illinois manufacturing as we celebrate our silver anniversary here at IMEC. To honor this milestone, we'll be looking at Illinois manufacturing, past, present, and future, through an insight series entitled Illinois Manufacturing, 25 Years and Beyond. We will celebrate the people who have contributed to Illinois manufacturing and the visionaries to inspire the progress yet to come. People like you. Illinois manufacturing is so many things. Illinois manufacturing is education. Higher educational institutions like our partners, Bradley University, Northern Illinois University, Southern Illinois University, and the University of Illinois at Chicago. Illinois manufacturing is built on the maker spirit. Illinois manufacturing is national. Illinois manufacturing is local. Lastly, Illinois manufacturing is collaboration. Manufacturers are modern-day heroes. Thank you for being a part of this milestone. And here's to the next 25 years of vibrant and globally competitive Illinois manufacturing.